Number 1. Acknowledge your feelings. Although a lot of people try to get rid of the feelings, and the fact that they have a shared crush with their friend, instead of dealing with the issue in a conscious way, it's best to be honest about your crush, and the situation at hand. If you are aware that you both like the same person, and you can acknowledge this to yourself, for starters, you've got a baseline for good communication. Number 2, try bringing up the situation with your friend in an open discussion. The conversation might not be comfortable, but it could lead to some productive discussions about how to move forward. You don't have to have a State of the Union address, but you should bring it up with your friend, so it's out there. This is hard to do, because most people want to avoid any awkward feelings, and awkward situations. Number 3, forget it, if one of you is more invested than the other. I usually say whoever cares less should bow out, instead of turning this into the kind of competition that can tear apart friend groups. If one of you is just kind of interested, and the other can't stop dreaming of that person, then it just makes sense. Number 4, decide which is more important. True friends know exactly how to compromise. When you know that the value of your friendship is more important than a shared crush, then you will not let this minor issue come between you two. You won't allow jealousy to build up and cause problems within your friendship. On the other hand, if your friend starts bringing you down to discourage you from stealing away their crush, then that alone is proof that your friend values their desires more than your friendship. Is it really worth it to have that kind of friend? Think again, is this person really worth losing your friend over? If it comes down to you and your friend getting into a fight over this person, and it doesn't work out with you and him or her, what then? You have a hurt friend that has been with you a lot longer than this person has, but you've lost your friend's trust in your relationship. It is a hard thing to patch up. To get access to the latest from Lifestyle Therapy, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. Number 5, don't make this a competition. This isn't about who's prettier, who's funnier, or who's more likable. You should know that the two of you are as fabulous as they come. Why stress yourself out about outdoing the other in hopes that this man or that woman will be the one to make a decision? If it gets to that level, it's not good. Number 6, both of you back off. If you know for certain that you do not want to lose your friendship over this, why don't the two of you just let this person go? No arguments, no choosing, no nothing. Make your friendship your number 1 priority, and keep it intact. There are plenty of fish in the sea, and you'll each find one that's suitable for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it, and make sure to subscribe to see more video in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.